Hammer-ons and pull-offs. So for hammer-ons, we're going to put the first finger at the 5th fret, 3rd string. That's nice in the middle of the guitar. And you play or pick that note and you hammer on with the 2nd finger 1 fret higher. The hammer-on you just do like the name suggests, you hammer down with the finger. And then do it with the 3rd finger. And then the 4th finger. The 4th finger is generally the weakest, so that will be the hardest one to do. It's all just practice really in developing finger strength and accuracy. So that's the hammer-ons. You can mix them up as well and do it this way. And so you get to use a combination of fingers. Pull-offs are just the reverse really. You start off with the 2nd finger, you play the string, and then you pull the finger down. So rather than lifting it up, you actually pull it down onto the next string. And then the 3rd finger. And the 4th finger. And again, you can do the different finger combinations. So we do 2-1, then 3-2, and 4-3. And you can do this on different strings, of course, and up and down the fretboard as much as you'd like to. That's it. The next one we'll carry on with a few more advanced hammer-ons and pull-offs and trills. See you then.